Today I'm going to talk about the certificate of no criminal record. This is something that anyone applying for a job in China will probably need. One of my foreign friends who had a lot of difficulty when he applied for his first job in China, he had to fly back to his own country for a no criminal record to prove that he was a good guy back in his own country. But after all the issues done, things got easier in China when he did a job hop, applied for another job to be my colleague. Because all he needed to do is to have a no criminal record in China, which was quickly done. So when do you need such a certificate in China? Well, the most frequent case is when a foreigner needs to transfer their job and apply for a new work visa in another city within China, or they plan to get married in China. So when the applicant should have already spent at least 180 days in China since their first arrival. They should hold either a residence permit or a permanent resident ID. Take Shanghai, for example. Each district has its own entry and exit bureau, and they are the departments that are in charge of the application. Please be noted that this certificate only covers the time you spend in China holding your valid passport or resident permit. And you need to prepare the following documents for the application: your original passport and copies, original registration form of temporary residence for visitors, completed application form for the no criminal record certificate. It usually takes 3 working days to complete the notarization process. And please be noted that within a single year, you are eligible to have 1 criminal record certificate only. If you apply more than 3 times in 1 year, you have to provide documentation to prove that your application is for a legitimate purpose. So if you are super busy to handle the application, you might authorize someone else to apply on your behalf. In most of the cases, is the HR. When you need to provide a signed power of attorney and the valid ID of your authorized representative. Hope this information could help you or someone that you know that might need it.